good morning sa inyong lahat dyan. Yes, doon po sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon. Happy Friday. Today is Friday mga kapatid. So ngayon is, tayo? Positive morning. Shout out pala doon sa mga Waray music lover ko dyan, na always nagpo-watch ng aking mga videos dyan sa aking 1 million viewers ngayon. Thank you so much for watching me. Guys, is-share ko lang sa inyo yung mga positive thoughts, especially dun sa mga OFW like me. So, wherever you are, whatever you do, keep on smiling and keep on fighting. Diyan tayo malakas eh. We are all fighters. So, if you're feeling lonely, if you're feeling sad, you are far from your family, just keep on praying and fighting that everybody will become safe. Right? Am I right or wrong? It's morning refreshing green tea, so I will drink this tea. I will talk English little bit because some of my viewers is here in Dubai, so not Filipino. And for those who is not Filipino out there, abroad, working abroad, don't be sad. We all missing our family, so later on we can go home safe and meet them, spend time with family. Even me, I want to go home. I want to go home. Really, in my heart, I want to go home. I'm crying. Every day I was praying, I crossed my heart. I crossed my hand that I will go home. Finally. Missing my kids a lot. Miss me so much. Ayan mga guys. Tagalog na tayo ngayon. Hindi ako masyadong sa English. Hindi ako speaking dollars every time. Nasishay ako. Still early. I reach at work too early. That's why magla-live ako. So, i-drink ko ang aking green tea. Time check pala in Dubai now is 9:38. So, ayan. 9:38. Ayan, mga friendship. It's 9:38 in the morning, but now started already hot. Even I did not bring my jacket. It's not cold anymore. It's not cold anymore. Kumusta kayo dyan? Kumusta ang mga buhay-buhay natin? Problema natin, dumarating lang yan, dumadaan. So actually, right now we are struggling, but later on, we can cope it and we'll be alright. Sometimes there's a big lesson in life, you meet some people are good to you, and then suddenly others not. It's quite normal. And the good thing is, do whatever you think that you are doing right. And you are not hurting anyone or take advantage. That is the good thing in life for me. Peace of mind, that you are not taking something from other people. Like, you not take advantage. That's all. Happy. Always be happy. And positive in life. Yeah. Something new. Everyone is struggling. Not only me, not only you. All of us is suffering from this. Especially this time of pandemic time. I'm thankful there is somebody who is, what you mean, your loved ones who support you every time is there for you. That is a good thing. Especially if you are an overseas worker like us, like in Dubai, here in Dubai, different nationality in Dubai. So they are from family. You're feeling alone. Luckily for those who has family here, so you're not feeling much because somebody is with you. But if you are alone, it's too hard. Always keep on fighting. Let us pray, keeping you alive, and don't forget, always keep in touch with your family. Talk to them, especially your kids, your mom. For me, much, yeah. I always talk to my mom, my children, my husband, every time. There is a conversation every day. My kids, I check what they are doing. Ay, yes, kabayan. Nag-work ako ngayon sa sa isang bookstore dito sa Dubai. So actually andito na ako. Wini-wait ko lang yung time nang mag-open ako kaya napa-early. Saan ka sa atin? Isa ka rin pang OFWs. Silmar, Michael. Okay, Silmar. Kinakain ko is Lutz na chocolate at green tea. Hi, good morning. I'm early today. Come here. Welcome to my live in YouTube. O yan. Hindi kayo nakaabot doon? Ay. Kaya pala di ko kayo nakita. In fairness, naka-uniform na yung dalawa. Okay. Ayan, yung mga bahay ko sa store. Kabilang shop, dumating na rin sila. Nakakatuwa lang talaga dito sa Dubai kasi mostly maraming Filipino. Normal na yung makikipag-usap ka ng Tagalog. So ayan, even other nationality nakakapagsalita na rin sila ng Tagalog. Parang nahawaan na. Ayan, shout out daw kay Silmar Michael for watching. Thank you for watching, mga kapatid. Mga guys, yung hindi nakakaalam, ako po ay taga Samar. So, Waray po ako, Waray. Waray Upay. Ayan. Doon sa mga nanonood ng mga Waray music na ina-upload ko every time, salamat sa inyo. Sana marami pa tayong ma-upload. Okay. So, Cavite City. Ayan. Silmar, dyan din ang bahay ko sa Tansa, Cavite. So, malapit lang pala. Ayan, ganito ang nangyayari sa atin. Pag ikaw. Hello mga guys, welcome po. Andito ng aking colleague. Say hi to all my viewers.
Hi guys. Hi.
He is from Cameroon. See? Cameron Diaz. Franklin, how are you? Hindi ako narinig. Naka-headset. So, maaga kami today. Ayan. Diyan yung aking kulit. Ayan. Hindi na init. Hindi na malamig dito sa Dubai. Ayan Nagsisweet na ako. Mainit na siya. Kasi ngayong morning, hindi na nga ako nagdala ng jacket No more jackets. Again, start na naman yung humidity. Hindi pa naman masyado, pero nag-start pa lang. Pamatay ang init dito kaya good luck na lang sa amin pag nagkataon. Ayan mga guys, after 10 minutes, magbubukas na ako ng store. Ayan, advice ko lang dun sa mga kapwa ko FW, huwag tayong susuko para laging intact ang family ninyo. Pinaka-importante yung communication. Always communicate your family, talk to them, especially kung nalulungkot ka. Yun lang yung yung susi doon, kasi kung wala kayong komunikasyon, parang yung attachment ba nawawala. Yung parang kaya marami dito sa mga kapwa nating OFW, yung sabi na natin nawawala ng landas. Yung parang may family ka sa Dubai, sa Pinas, dito sa Dubai, magkakaroon ka rin ng mga friends, kaibigan, mga ganon. So, yun, nakakapag-start yun na natutokso ka, or ganon kadalasan. Kasi sa tagal ko na dito, yun yung napapansin ko. Kaya, importante talaga yung sa family. Always talk, ayan, communicate with your kids, with your husband, your parents, always, every time. Yun lang. Thank you. Salamat nga pala dun sa mga nanood sa akin. Is magbababay-babay lang ako. Sumilip lang ako kasi nga medyo 20 minutes pa ako maghihintay bago mag-open ng store. Ayan. Thank you po. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Keep safe po tayong lahat. Always. Always, always. Ngayon dun sa aking viewer kay Silmar Michael. Thank you for watching. Keep safe po. Ingat lagi dyan. Bye-bye. Bye.